Hello, everyone. Welcome to another round of video on inequalities. I was looking for some good examples on Google and I came across this website, Piqosity, and I think he's a wonderful educator. And it's a lot of resources on this website. So the one of the worksheets that I really liked is this one, graphs of linear inequalities. So this is the continuation video. There are other two videos prior to this that you should watch and understand the math emojis. That would really help you. So let's take a look at graphing linear inequalities, because I talked a little bit on graphing on a number line, but I needed linear inequality. So this is why I researched on this one. So according to the math emoji, if the symbol doesn't have a line on the bottom, I said to use a dotted line. So clearly you can see that they are using the dotted lines. If there is a line down here, you're going to use a solid line. Like for example, whenever there is a line bottom here, greater than or equal to, you're going to use a solid line. Now, based on the symbol that you read, y is less than. Less than means the shade should go below. Okay? Above, if y is greater, the shade would be shaded on the top. Same thing. So, how do you summarize this? What are the things that you need to remember? If there is no line here, like this one, you're going to use a dotted line. And every time if it is less, the shade have to be on the bottom. I'm going to do some more examples in the next video, but I just wanted to show you a visual before I head into actually teaching it on my iPad here. So if the inequality sign is less than, the line have to be dashed and shading occurs below the line. So that's what we are saying. And I would highly recommend you, prior to even starting any inequalities, you should know how to graph a linear relationship so that you can clearly see the y-intercept, the slope or the gradient, and you will have some knowledge whether the line would be going up or down. Since here the gradient is positive, you need to know that the lines would be going up, and that should not confuse you. But the shade is going down because of this symbol. So that's two different. So many a times I've seen students get confused on this particular point. How do we know if the line is going up or down, and how do we decide or differentiate between the shade, whether it's line going up or down? So there are two different things. The line would be going up based on your gradient or slope. The shade will be going down based on the symbol. Okay, so keep that in mind and your graphing would be super easy. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Check out the other videos that I'll be doing on inequalities.